All right, welcome to this week's edition of Growing Wisdom, and today we're here with Wayne Mezet from Weston Nurseries, and we're going to be talking about scent and planting.
This is Clethra Summersweet that's in bloom in the swamps in July and August. This is the pink form called Ruby Spice. This is the white form, actually a compact white, called Hummingbird, and this is the one you see mostly around the swamps here. One of the garden plants that we see a lot is the Buddleia. That's the butterfly bush, and that flowers all summer. And right behind it here are one of the summer azaleas. This one is one of the later ones, Pennsylvania. All of them very fragrant. All of them have their own distinctive fragrance.
This Clethra here, the hummingbird one, is this native?
It's a form of the native Summersweet. And this is one that was selected because it's more compact growing and smaller stature. Good for smaller landscapes.
And this particular one here, a little bit taller. How tall will this get?
This will get, most Clethras get to be in the 6 to 8 foot range. The hummingbird only gets about 4 feet or maybe 5 feet tall.
Now we're going to talk about some of the foliage, right?
That's something that most people don't think about. One of my favorite odors in the landscape is the PJM Rhododendron and April Snow, which is one of the, it's not in bloom now, and in fact the flowers don't have any fragrance. But when you rub the foliage, just brush up against it. You can smell that spicy, clovey, real pungent aroma. And if you put this beside a path or beside a gate or something, when you walk by it, you just brush by it and the aroma rises into the air. This is Caryopterus. You can see that it's sort of a gray color, which is characteristic of a lot of fragrant foliage plants. And you can smell it's got sort of a musty, sweet, what would you call it? Sort of a...
It's almost like cedar. It's a very clean smell.
This flower is late into the summer as well, nice blue flowers. A lot of the fragrant foliage herbs and perennials have the grayish foliage, and they also tolerate the drier conditions because they're Mediterranean plants originally.
So this is why it almost reminds me of a rosemary.
Exactly.
Same sort of idea.
Very similar to this.